We're going to start with neck cars. These are part of the morning routine. What we want to watch out for with neck cars is we want to make sure we want to solidify our body into the ground, and you want to flex everything at about 30%. We want to draw our hands, make two fists at our side, draw them down to the ground. We want to squeeze our butt, squeeze our core, and we want to make sure that nothing else is going to move besides our neck. The first movement we're going to do for neck cars is we're going to draw our chin down to our chest. We want to scrape it along the collarbone towards the right side here. Then we're going to drop our right ear to our right shoulder. We're going to roll our head back, roll it to the other side, dropping our ear to the left shoulder, turning over our left shoulder, scraping that chin down along that collarbone, and back down with our chin down to our chest. We want to make sure that we're not hiking our shoulders or we're not rotating as our neck is rotating with it.